The Shinbox Get-Up is a great sequence to work on getting up and down off the ground. We're gonna start in this 5-point crab, and I encourage you to use as much hand support as you need to, and we can always go hands-free as we start to progress it. So bring those knees over into a shin box, and then we're gonna extend into our hips. And then I'm gonna sweep this leg around. Now notice the angle of this knee. You're gonna plant that foot in that same direction. So sweep that leg around, plant that foot in the same direction. It's a nice little stretch here. You can of course hang out if you want to. And then you're gonna stand tall. Now, we're gonna bring this leg back, land on the top of the foot. And this allows us to now find the knee. We're gonna sweep that leg back around, find that knee. And this is gonna allow us to sink back into the shin box. Now from this point, switching over to the other side. Same thing, if I need to use that hand support to get me up into this hip extension, great. I sweep this leg around. I don't have a ton of room here, that's okay. Make it do with my environment, stand tall. And then I'm reaching that inside foot back, top of the foot, land on the knee. That allows me to stay extended, land on that knee, and then I'm able to sink back into the shin box. So I'm gonna go through a few more rounds, cue it with a little bit more tempo. Shifting my legs over to one side, I extend through the hips. I'm gonna sweep that trail leg around into that lunge. I'm gonna stand tall. I'm gonna bring that leg, that inside leg back, top of the foot, then knee. Bring that leg back around, landing on the knee, and then chopping those hips back. Use the hand support as you need it to sink back into the shin box. Switching over to the other side, extend through those hips. Sweep this leg around in the direction of the knee. Drive through, stand tall. Reach that inside leg back, top of the foot, then knee. Landing on that knee as you sweep the other leg around, sinking into the shin box, and switching over to the other side. So use that hand support as you need it. However you can get into those landmark positions is the big key. Then we can start to take some of the training wheels off, gradually decrease the support, and then you'll be doing this hands-free in no time.